It does not.
You should try Romanian pepper.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, that burns. Oh God. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Oh boy.
They're losing that.
The more you tell, then you start going backwards.
Go.
This is my first time ever.
Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Code brown. Oh God. Oh Jesus. No.
Disgusting, and I was like, no, your voice makes it like.
Oh, my God, like within the evil group.
Ready? Oh, good God. Oh. Just one man, lonely with his toots, sitting here waiting for his next victim. What's a man to do, you know? I don't know, buddy. I don't know.
Useful thing.
Is that a kookaburra?
But no.
May not have been loud enough. I don't think it's loud enough.
And it's just fun to read.
Party tomorrow?
Oh.
You're not having drinks or nothing? No alcohol.
So funny.
I'm not gonna sell it. I want to tell you to be good.
You know what? It sounded like it was in a gas.
No.
I got home at midnight and it was still going. And I went to the gym. I watched the whole entire thing and I watched it and it was
Oh, it's nicely done.
I think I bought it and I really wanted it. I bought it.
No, I'm still looking for it. Do you know where Mom's at? Do you know where Mom's at? Is Mom over? Is she on the north end of the store?
chill it up for at least a good 10 minutes.
What is up, everybody? If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. And as a lot of you probably don't know, the reason I haven't been posting is because we are actually pregnant. We're expecting our second child. It's been pretty stressful lately, but we're getting there. The baby's gonna be due at the end of May, so it's coming up pretty quick. We're just trying to get everything organized, get the room all set up, stuff like that. I'll actually show you his room real quick. This is his room. We're just getting it put together. We still got a lot of stuff to do here, but it just seems like my time has been going towards that a lot more lately, but I'm getting back into the groove of things. Like I said on the last video, the picking nose is basically done. I think it's pretty funny. It's pretty cringe, but it's gonna be a good video. I like it a lot. And also I have a few more fart videos almost ready to go up. I'm working on them. And yeah, it's exciting. I'm ready to get back in the groove of things, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting, especially with we haven't come up with a name yet either. We're thinking, well, my wife really wants Dylan, but I don't know if I like Dylan or not, but she likes it a lot, so maybe we'll go with it. That's one of the possibilities. It has to start with a D. So if any of you guys have good D names, put them below, and we'll definitely think about it. Yeah, so that's what's been going on with me. Sorry, guys. I'm just kind of like taking a little break to like do all that stuff, family stuff and everything. Daddy's back.